Good morning. I am Lalitha from SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Sciences in Department of Computer Application. Now we are discussing about today our lecture video is Internet Things in Arduino. Arduino is the one of the famous softwares for using the IoT technology because it can accept the embedded system and the sensor and whatever it is. It also accessing and controlling the daily usable equipments and it device using the internet. Tools to implement of IoT project. There are many tools how to implement the IoT process such as Raspberry, Arduino, Drossel Tool, Ellipse IoT, Platform IQ, IBM Watson, OpenSCDA, Node-RED, Kinovo Create, Device Hue. These things are the IoT implementation tool it can use to create the projects day-to-day life. Classification of IoT boards. There are some many the IoT boards are available for the IoT projects. In today market, we can find many boards with different specifications of IoT boards. It will be the broadly classified into two segments. The segments are motherboard. First one is the motherboard controller. Microboard controller, the cheapest and easily available board in the market. Most of the IoT prototypes developed by the students are used based on it because the students can implement the process by using the microcontroller is very easily and also its cost also very cheap. So we can do most prototypes like this. Advantage of the microboard controller. That means it is the very simple to learn implement. The microboard controller is easy to learn and also low cost to burn. The cost is low. A wide range of third-party library sensors are available. The huge community of users along with the easily available resources. Disadvantages of the microcontroller. Processing and task speed is very low. When we are using a microcontroller, we could not make the more processing unit in this process because we can't use only a smaller project. The huge project we could not use the microcontroller because the process speed is very low. The general large size nodes are good. The microcontroller successors is a very large size, so we cannot use the very critical environment. Classification of IoT boards. The boards are used to classification microcontroller based on Arduino device. Developed to Arduino device. For example, UN1 Micro Nano developed the manufacturing of Arduino, but IDE of Arduino in general provides the high level of integrations. Example of ESP32, ESP286 modes are used to evaluate the microcontroller. The Arduino software is used for making the easy to learn and also exports the component of available resources are easily to enhancing the product. In this topic, the Arduino is used to learn with the accessing and controlling of daily usable equipment and device by using the internet. The internet can implement by the Raspberry Pi, Arduino, Drossel Tool, Ellipse IoT platform, IBM Watson, OpenSCD, Node-RED and create the devices. In this today markets, there is the many IoT platforms boards are available. The board is classified into two segments. First one is a microcontroller. The microcontroller is the cheapest available in the market. The most of the IoT prototypes developed by the students are based on it. It is the very simple and easy to implement. Low cost of IoT. A wide of third-party libraries can sensor the available. Huge community of using the easily available resources. Processing and task management performance is speed and low. The general size was the lowest option. Next one is the microcontroller board. It is the developed by Arduino itself. For example, UNE Micro Nano developed by other manufacturing than Arduino, but use of IDE Arduino in general, they provide a high level of integrations. Examples are the ESP32, ESP286. That is the IoT. The